Volatility is probably the biggest word thrown around in crypto. Now, does anyone know what it actually means? I'm going to show you today after this disclaimer.
I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only.
I'm going to show you today what volatility means and talk to you a little bit about Atom. So let's get straight in. So starting off with crypto volatility. All right, what this means is the fluctuation of going up and down on your trading chart. Okay, the price rising, lowing with ridiculous speeds. Now you can see here the volatility per hour. All right, which is going crazy. You can see per day. And if you actually look at the historic value, look at the 18th of October and how much this is going. You can imagine putting a trade on and the volatility going like this. How do you even predict the price right now? We need to wait for crypto to chill out and start getting our portfolio back up. Okay, let's jump over to Atom so I can show you a little bit about a project that I really like. So the Cosmos, that is the ecosystem, right? It's the internet of blockchains. It's an ever-expanding ecosystem of interconnected apps and services built for the decentralized future. Okay, this is where Atom comes in, and the next phase, as you can see at the top, is going to be Atom 2.0. So in their universe, you've got 263 plus apps and services growing, 58 billion plus digital assets under their management. Okay, the heart of the interchain, that's what it is. You've got the marketplace security provider, the custodian, the router. They've got their custom hub, so click on that. The links are down below. It's cosmos.network, secured by the Atom. This is where we start to get into the tasty parts of this video. So in return for securing the services on the Cosmos Hub, transactions, fees, and staking rewards are distributed Atom stakers. Now, let's have a little look at what Atom actually is. Explore the token. So here it is with all the tokens in the ecosystem, all right? And we've got Atom. This is what I want to look at. The price right now is $10.29, down 1.68 today, but the 3 billion market cap. Look at the rest. Look at what it's comparing to. Okay, it's insane. CRO coin, crypto.com is a third of it. It's insane how well Atom's doing. And if we go over to the price of Atom, you can actually see on the trading chart where we're at. In the 7-day period, yeah, a lot of cryptos have been taking a hit this week. Look at that dramatic spike. Many cryptos hit that spike, okay, and didn't come back up. They stayed at that small level. Atom came straight back into the green. That shows me that this project has got too much in the ecosystem to even get worried. Okay, look at this over the 3 months. If you've been watching videos with me, you'll see, I always go into the charts and you'll see all of the tradings after 3 months going down. Look where we are. We're still hitting greens on the troughs. All right, that's really good. It's exactly what I see. And I do see us getting back to these highs of the 40s very soon with Atom, okay? It's an incredible token. It's the main token of the utility again. Atom 2.0 is actually coming out in the next phase. But get involved in this whole universe of opportunity, okay? The token holders really do have opportunities. The Cosmos have pioneered a new era in the era of blockchain space by being the first public proof of stake blockchain built on top of a Bytonized fault-tolerant consensus engine. Now, you can explore it. Please do your own research. I do recommend everybody getting on here and doing your own research. If you want to get involved in the staking of Atom, you can, right? It enables Atom tokens, as you can see here, to secure the chain by locking in their Atom. Staking Atom gives rights to the participants in voting as well, and you've got everything else with the bridging, the interchain security, liquidity staking, and the change name service. So that's the Cosmos and Atom that I wanted to bring to you. So volatility, again, can really damage your portfolio, okay, if you're not treating it with much care. Atom and Cosmos, it's got volatility, but it's one of the things I think will start to grow rapidly with a constant flux of going up. All right, the bull run is coming. Get ready for it. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you want to be notified, and I will see you next time.